Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need: a Google account and a browser. First, open Dialogflow ES and create a new agent. This initializes the project and basic settings. Once done, pick language and time zone that match your users, then name the agent so it's easy to find. Make sure to enable billing only if you'll call external webhooks, otherwise skip costs. You're starting with a simple agent so you can iterate quickly and learn where to refine intents next. Now you'll create the core conversational pieces. For each user goal, add an intent and populate it with diverse training phrases so the model generalizes. Include short and long examples. Define entities when you need to capture variables like dates or product names, and map those entity values to parameters. Once done, use input and output contexts to control transitions between intents. This keeps the conversation stateful. Test frequently in the console so you can see which phrases misclassify and adjust examples. Finish by connecting your agent to a channel. Use the built-in web demo or enable an integration like Messenger to reach users quickly. If you need dynamic answers, enable fulfillment and point it to a webhook. Make sure the webhook URL is reachable and returns JSON. Once deployed, test real conversations and watch analytics to spot failing intents. If things go wrong, inspect the webhook and cloud function logs, retrain intents with missing examples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.